Welcome to Vegan Tune-Up Cafe. I am Chef Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Mary Berry Bliss bowl. Very simple, and I'm using some basic ingredients. I'm using strawberries, fresh strawberries. Actually, I'm using frozen strawberries, but you can use fresh strawberries. I'm using blueberries, fresh blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries. I'm using frozen blueberries. I'm using chia seed, and I'm also using dates for the sweetener and water as my base. Measurements for this recipe is very important. So I have 1 cup of water, so that's 8 ounces of water. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Half cup of strawberries. I'm using frozen strawberries. Half cup of blueberries. I'm using frozen blueberries. But like I said earlier on, you can use fresh blueberries and fresh strawberries. And I'm using 5 pitted dates. Make sure the dates are pitted. 5 pitted dates. So I have all my ingredients in my blender. What I'm going to do now is put my top on and blend away. This is very simple to make. Earlier on, I said blueberries, strawberries, chia seeds, and dates. Water, that's all you need for this recipe. And it's full of nutrients. I like to make it and have it for breakfast because, like I said, it's loaded with nutrients. I hope you will try it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information on my sensational vegan recipes cookbook, visit my website at vegantuneupcafe.com.